So wonderful morning everyone. We're going to see one important topic that is robotic process automation. It's going to be very handy for you. So do check it out. What are the various audit implications? What are the common risk of RPA is the question you might get. So the common risk, the shortcut for common risk of RPA is very simple. That is ROC, or for RPA strategic risk, and O is for operational execution risk, and C is for change management risk. What are the audit implications is, so the RPA process, it includes data extractions, because without data you can't do anything, and the sanitization and cleansing, that is very important. So as an auditor you need to understand these things, then only you'll be able to get the best out of RPA. And a comprehensive assurance process of the source code, that is very important. An auditor must also know the tools used to develop and maintain RPA, so that he'll be knowing how the exactly it functions, and also it will be useful for the auditor to review the logs, configuration controls, and privilege access controls, as in your system someone else has accessed, and all those things needs to be check. These are let's quickly recall the key terms is the sanitization and cleaning, and the source code, and also the reviewing of the logs, configuration controls, and privilege access controls. These are the things you should reproduce. So now common risk is that just be discussed at the beginning. The shortcut is ROC. R is for RPA strategic risk, O is for operation execution risk, and C is for change management risk. And the key terms you should reproduce is robots are deployed without proper operating model. So buying the wrong model, for example in Japan it's once happened where the robot has been installed to serve the people, but it did not serve properly, and it threw away the dishes and all those things. So these are the various risks RPA might bring to the table. And also in case of RPA strategic risk, the key term you should reproduce is having improper KPIs or unrealistic business goals might create an environment of uncertainty. For example, you're preparing for exam and you're not able to revise properly, or just studying haphazardly, so that will create an unnecessary confusion. So it's very important for an auditor to understand the potential and the limitation of RPA, because just like humans, RPA has its own limitations before drafting a robotic process automation. So these are the key things you should keep in mind with regard to APA. Hope you made full use of it. Keep going, best wishes, all the best, stay focused.